The Toyota 1GR-FE is a 4.0-litre V6 engine produced in both Japan and the United States since 2002. Although it powers a variety of Toyota pickups and SUVs, it is most famously known for its role in the Land Cruiser Prado. This engine exists in two main iterations. The first generation with VVT-i, variable valve timing on the intake camshafts, and the second generation featuring Dual VVT-i, variable valve timing on both the intake and exhaust camshafts. Let's dive deeper into debuting in the Land Cruiser Prado 120 in 2002. The original 1GR-FE is a classic 60 degrees V6 from that era. It uses multi-port fuel injection, an open-deck aluminum block with cast iron cylinder liners, and aluminum DOHC cylinder heads without hydraulic lifters. The timing system is chain-driven, and the first generation includes VVT-i only on the intake cams. In 2009, Toyota introduced the updated 1GR-FE in the Land Cruiser Prado 150, most notably adding VVT-i to the exhaust cams as well, thereby creating the Dual VVT-i setup. Many second-generation variants also gained hydraulic lifters, making valve clearance maintenance simpler. From the outset, the 1GR-FE earned a reputation for reliability and versatility, appearing in Toyota's lineup across numerous truck and SUV models, ranging from the Tacoma and FJ Cruiser to the various Land Cruiser series. Power output generally varies between 237 and 267 horsepower, making it well suited to both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations. Its aluminum block, cast iron cylinder liners, and forged steel crankshaft combine reduced weight with the durability needed for heavier vehicles. Even today, Toyota continues to use both generations. Some regions still receive updated versions of the VVT-i engine in vehicles like the Hilux and Land Cruiser 70, while the Dual VVT-i version remains in models such as the Fortuner and newer Land Cruisers. Over time, the engine has evolved to improve efficiency and performance, yet it has also developed a few known issues. Overall, the 1GR-FE is considered robust, but overheating can lead to head gasket damage. Toyota's revised intake system on second-generation engines largely mitigated this problem. Owners frequently report a rattling noise from the variable valve timing phases during startup. This can be related to worn actuator clutches or clogged filter screens. While some continue to drive with the noise, unresolved issues may lead to unstable engine performance. Cleaning or replacing the actuator components can extend their service life. The crankcase ventilation system is not especially efficient, which can lead to oil deposits and potential leaks. Additionally, water pumps often require replacement around 65,000–100,000 kilometers, while oxygen sensors are sensitive to poor quality fuel. Many 1GR-FE variants do not have hydraulic lifters, necessitating periodic valve clearance checks. The lightweight aluminum block employs thin cast iron liners, which cannot be overbored. If the cylinder walls suffer major wear or damage, the entire block may need replacing. After about 100,000 miles, some 1GR-FE engines begin to use more oil. While minor consumption may only require occasional top-ups, more severe cases can demand piston ring replacement. Using high-quality oil and performing regular oil changes can help delay or reduce excessive consumption. The chain-driven timing system usually lasts longer than a belt, but the tensioner can fail in high-mileage engines, often after 250,000 kilometers. A rattling chain sound is an early warning sign of impending issues. Ignoring it can result in serious engine damage. Some owners opt to replace the chain and tensioner proactively around that mileage. Pre-2009 engines are somewhat more prone to coil pack failures, which cause misfires and uneven performance. Later, Dual VVT-i versions tend to be less affected. Owners of older models may find it helpful to keep spare coils on hand or to check them regularly during routine maintenance. The 1GR-FE remains a highly regarded power plant known for its adaptability and strong design. With proper maintenance, especially oil changes, cooling system checks, and occasional valve adjustments, it can provide dependable service for many years. As with any engine, being aware of its few recurring issues helps ensure timely repairs and a longer lifespan.